like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we post daily videos of new inventory coming in. Various makes, various models, foreign and domestic. We are the premier repairable and salvage vehicle dealership of the Northeast. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Ford F150 with front end collision damage. Needs a right front fender. So you need a radiator support. Aprons look, they have some damage. Looks a little bent there. You probably have to replace it. All the coolers are damaged. Intercooler is a little bent up there. May be good. Radiator condenser is damaged. The engine sits pretty far back, so I'm not too concerned about that. It does run and a lot drive. Take a look on the other side. Upper radiator support is damaged. Apron looks good on this side. It's a high hit, so the frame rails look good on here. No damage. Hit above the frame rails. The motor sits back very far, which is why this is a good builder. Hood looks okay. Pretty nice when the door's back. Let's take a look inside. Really nice interior. All the airbags look good. Curtain airbags are good. Seat airbags are good. Both forward airbags are good. It's got a power seat on this side. Center console shift. Looks like one knee airbag is deployed. Pretty nice. Three-quarter door. Take a look at the roof. Make sure there's no buckles. Really nice builder. Easy fix. Post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.